In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on Hotmail. This simple yet often overlooked tool can make a significant difference in your daily email experience, especially if you find yourself squinting at those smaller texts. So let's dive right in and make sure you're making the most out of your email interface. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Outlook login page. For those not familiar, Hotmail is now part of Microsoft Outlook, so don't let the name scare you. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click on the sign in button to begin. After you've signed in, you're going to find yourself on the main Outbox page. From here, let's move to the Mail section. This is where all your emails are neatly tucked away. Click on Mail and you'll get a familiar layout featuring your inbox front and center. Next, you're going to want to click on the inbox. This is pretty straightforward, but it's an essential step to access the emails you wish to enlarge. Once you've clicked, you'll see a list of all the emails you've received. Now, take a look through your list and select an email that you're interested in viewing. This email can be anything, perhaps the latest newsletter from your favorite store or an important message from a colleague. Click to open it up. Once you've opened your desired email, we're going to move our focus to the top menu options. Here you will find a button titled View. Clicking this will present several different viewing options for you. It's always helpful to know the various ways you can manipulate how information displays on your screen. Under the View menu, look for the Zoom option. Clicking on Zoom will offer you the ability to change how large or small the text appears on your screen. This is an incredibly useful tool for ensuring that you don't miss any vital details within your emails, and it makes reading much more comfortable for long periods. And there you have it. An easy way to adjust the size of your email content right within Hotmail, ensuring your interface feels just right for you. This small tweak can have a big impact on your productivity and comfort while managing your daily communications. Thanks for following along and enjoy your perfectly zoomed emails.